Hey everyone, and welcome to RoamTips.com. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to turn on and off Private Relay on your Mac. This is a super useful feature for boosting your privacy online. Let's get started. First, to turn on Private Relay, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select System Settings. Once you're in System Settings, click on your name at the very top to access your Apple account settings. Inside, you'll find the iCloud settings. Click on that. Now, you should see Private Relay. Keep in mind, you will need an iCloud Plus subscription to use this feature. Assuming you have iCloud Plus, click on Private Relay. A pop-up box will appear with more information. To turn it on, simply toggle the switch. You can also change your IP address location here. By default, it's set to maintain general location. If you click the drop-down menu, you can choose Use Country and Time Zone instead. Select your preferred option, and then click Done. Now you can exit out of the system settings and Private Relay is active. You can use your Mac as you normally would, with the added privacy. Now if you want to turn Private Relay off, let's go back to System Settings and the iCloud settings, just like before. Click on Private Relay again. In the pop-up menu, simply toggle the switch to turn it off. You'll see a warning explaining that your IP address and browsing activity will no longer be hidden. Once you're ready, you can either choose Turn Off until tomorrow, or Turn Off Private Relay. I'm going to choose Turn Off Private Relay now. As you can see, the switch is now toggled off. Click Done, and then exit out of the system settings. Private Relay is now disabled, and you can continue using your Mac as usual. And that's it. It's pretty straightforward. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give this video a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. This video is based on my own personal experience, and for relevant links, please check the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to RoamTips.com for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.